Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So this video is basically for the beginners who are confused about how to begin their English learning journey. Okay, you want to start, you are fully motivated, but you don't have the clear plan. So this is where I'm going to help you. Basically, everybody who becomes an expert in this language is once a beginner. Okay, so everybody has started their journey from step 1, right, from the fundamental. So what is it? What should you do? Should you read books? Should you listen to a podcast, or should you just start speaking directly? Would that help you? Let's see. So number one step that you must keep in mind is that understand your strength. What do I mean by that? See, not everybody is good at listening, not everybody is good at reading. Okay, so find out what is it that you enjoy doing. Do you enjoy reading books? If that is your strength, go for it. Or if you don't enjoy reading, then think about listening, whether it is interesting for you, or are you able to focus better while listening. Some people lose interest very easily, they can't even listen for like 10 minutes. Okay, so if listening is comparatively easier for you, you can start with that option. Or if that's also boring, then do you enjoy talking to people, right? If that is the thing, then you can start having like short small talks or small chit chat with your friends or some strangers, whoever you're comfortable with. But first of all, analyze what your strengths are and then create the further roadmap. So this was step 1. Now comes step 2, which is step 2 is building a routine for yourself. See, you will make progress only if you consistently practice. So English learning journey is not like one day you wake up and you decide to practice for hours and the next day you drop out this plan. No, that will not be useful. So how to create an effective practice routine for yourself? Understand your schedule. Which time are you free, in the morning, afternoon, or in the evening? So or during lunchtime, dinner time, whatever you find comfortable. From your routine, you have to spend at least 15 minutes every day for practice. Okay, now you have to divide this time. Okay, if you are practicing reading or listening, you have to do that in around half an hour. If you have more time, you can do 45 minutes, 1 hour, well and good. But if you don't have that much of time, spend at least 30 minutes on reading or listening, because these two things are basically your input. Okay, your brain, you need to feed something to your brain for better output, right? So practice 30 minutes of listening, reading, whichever is your strength, and then 15 minutes should be spent on speaking. Okay, so always make sure that you should allot at least this much time every day consistently, okay, to see some good progress. This is step 2. Now step number 3 is create an environment. Okay, why it is important to have surroundings and the right atmosphere to learn English? Because unless you get the opportunity to speak, it will be very difficult for you to actually imbibe this language. So you have to understand whether you have people around you who speak good English. It can be your family, very nice, it can be your friends. So you need to have exposure of this language. If you don't have any of them, you can find some online WhatsApp groups, communities, and start interacting with your co-learners. Okay, that is also one of the very useful method you can follow. Okay, so number 1 is analyze your strength, build a proper practice routine, and number 3rd is, okay, create an atmosphere for yourself to practice every day. Number 4 is find out the resources. Okay, now it shouldn't be very difficult for you, because it's the world of technology and you have so much resources around you. Okay, you can listen to so many podcasts, you can watch web series, movies, read plethora of books. You can also find communities to join to practice, and you can use AI, one of the best tool for those who are self learners, who love doing self talk, or who don't need to rely on anyone. So for me, I was all alone, nobody around me spoke English, so I relied on myself. I used to do self talk, and nowadays I've started using AI, and I see some significant change in my speaking skills. So for those who don't have any resources or any person to practice with, you can also start with AI. And the last step that you have to follow is focus on building your confidence day by day. Okay, once you feel okay, Now I can make sentences. Try to level up, okay? Increase the challenge. Now I will start using little complex sentences, okay? I will start using conjunctions to add two sentences. Or now I will try to speak on different topics, okay? Not the very familiar or very easy topics. So this way you are challenging yourself, you are building your confidence. And once you become like comfortable and confident talking to your people like friends or family members, then start talking to strangers or online communities. So you have to make sure that the challenge should keep on increasing, okay? It shouldn't be always the same. So if you follow these 5 steps as a beginner, I'm sure it will be very, very useful for you. Number one is analyze your strength. What do you enjoy doing? Reading, listening, or speaking? Number two is create a proper practice routine. 30 minutes for reading or listening practice and 15 minutes for speaking, okay, minimum. And number three is create an atmosphere around yourself. If you don't have anyone to practice with, you can join the online communities. And number four is select the right resources, okay? You can, if you enjoy reading books, you can select the books of your favorite genre, or you can pick up some good podcast, or you can uh, uh, also practice with AI, a very useful tool. And last but not the least, start building your confidence. Increase the challenge. After every achieving any milestone, you have to increase the challenge to keep going and keep progressing in this journey. So follow these 5 steps and let me know in the comment section how useful it was for you. If you want any other video on this topic, I would definitely come up, and you can also share your ideas, your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Hope it will be useful for you. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.